Hi, I'm Christy with WTI, and if you're looking for a comfortable summer dress, you should check this one out from Sakaly. It seriously feels like you're wearing an oversized t-shirt. It's so comfortable. It comes in lots of different floral patterns. This one is the navy blue with the white flower, which I love. I really like the length of this dress. As far as a midi dress is concerned, this is as short as I want to go, but I still feel that it's modest. The other thing about this dress that's kind of unique is the neckline. You can kind of play around with it a little bit. If you want it to be a higher neckline, you can bring this up. And if you want a little more ruching, like it shows in the picture, you can also pull it down. Personally, I like to pull it up a little bit just so I have more coverage. I'm wearing a size medium. I'm generally a size 4 to 6, and I think that this fits pretty true to size, but really it's comfortable. It's really pretty, so I would definitely give it a try because I think you'll love it. And that's my point of view.